Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, August 24th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the Euro-US dollar. And we are going to start on the monthly time frame, work our way all the way down to the 1 hour. So on the monthly, if you've seen my most recent full top-down videos, you know that I do have two biases on the very high time frames. My main analysis, which has been the same for about 8 months, is that we're in an expanding wave C, which means on these very high time frames, it's likely going to keep on trending up to about the 1.34 area. Now, this is the monthly time frame, and for it to get all the way up here, if that is correct, potentially could take at least another year or more. So very long-term outlook. My second outlook is this is not a 1, 2, 3, but it's actually an ABC correction to the last wave down. So it's actually just a pullback to this wave down right here. It goes to the 78%. It breaks down on the sort of time phase. It just ends up going all the way back down to these lows, which honestly, I kind of hope that is the correct analysis. Either way, let's go down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we definitely do have what looks like a possible five-wave structure. So this could be five waves of C. So if it does have a break of trend, meaning that it goes down and breaks this structure, or we have like a double top and then a break of this trend, that's what's going to tell me that this really is the end of a wave C. As of right now, we really have no proof whatsoever that this thing may not just keep on trending up, which is still what I am definitely leaning towards. Going down to the daily time frame. Now we had what looks like almost a perfect ABC correction here. We had 1, 2, 3 waves down to a percentage of this wave up right here. So this very easily could just keep on going up and up and up and up, especially with that main analysis I showed you on the monthly time frame. So unless you get a break to the downside, I would definitely be trading this like it's in an uptrend. Now I always like to have an alternative. What if this is an ABC down, so three waves down, and now this is 1, 2, 3 waves up, 78% fib bounce, and then it either makes five waves down like that for a 3, 3, 5 pattern, or it makes another three waves down for a 3, 3, 3 pattern. Definitely a possibility. And if we get the end of this little wave up right here on sort of time phase, that will tell us that it is going to go down for that second possibility. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. If this is all just part of a big uptrend on the higher time frames, then you will not get a break of structure to the downside at a fib level, but instead it will just keep on making higher highs and higher lows. If it is actually part of like an ABC, like I was showing, like either a 3, 3, 3 or a 3, 3, 5 pattern on the 4 hour to daily time frame, then this would end a trend, as in it would have a break of trend at probably the 78%, and then that would tell us that it's going back down in a much bigger way. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is actually where you can see this move up right here that we had on Friday as a trend. Very strong move up. We are at the 78% Fibonacci retracement. Our most recent structure is right here. If it breaks below that structure, I would definitely start looking for shorts, because if it breaks below that structure, this could be a wave C, and it could potentially just start making lower lows, lower highs. On the other hand, if it doesn't break below that structure, or it just goes down to there and then rejects it, then I would definitely still be trading this. As of right now, I would definitely still be trading this like we are in a big uptrend on the very high time frames, because we definitely are still in a big uptrend on the very high time frames. So I like to take it one step at a time and allow the market to tell us what to do next. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.